Hi, Gil from Test and Gil here. Let's talk about the test that you have, flaky one, that tests an AI feature, the one that breaks the build. Sometimes. Now it fails again. Your first move is to dive into the test code, right? Maybe tweak the token window size, or modify the prompt and hope for the best. Here's a thought. What if it shouldn't be your first move? What if the real problem is not in the test? Maybe it's in a conversation you should have had with the developers during planning. Maybe this could have saved us some headaches. As testers, part of our job is to separate the chaos from the deterministic. Of course, we need to test the deterministic box. The developers' unit tests and our integration test should have that covered. And we would like to confirm that it works as it should. But if we use our power of separation, then we can have more control over the chaos. And a smaller bit of chaos is easier to test than a big one, right? But this separation doesn't happen on its own. A seam needs to be put in there by the developers. And we need to demand it to be there. The seam will allow us to test the AI's behavior directly, without all the extra noise coming from the rest of the application, which can be a bit chaotic. With this seam in place, we can call the model directly and see what the response is. We can write a script that creates 50 versions of this prompt and calls it and see what the difference is. We can look at the responses and analyze them. And then we can systematically analyze what's going on. We may even find the exact prompt that solves the problem through some kind of exploration. We're not just validating anymore. We're investigating. We're exploring. We're using the seam to become experts on the AI's behavior and find the real solutions. All through that seam, which we should have asked for when we should have that conversation. This is what it means to put testability first. It's a shift from being a reactive bug finder to a proactive, collaborative engineer. One that helps the team build better and more robust solutions from day one. I just wrote a new blog post for test engineers. It's all about having this testability conversation with your team. It talks about concrete examples of testability. How to help make testing AI features more reliable and easier. If you're in the trenches writing automated tests, I think it will help you. You can read it in the link below. And if this kind of professional collaborative engineering is your thing, check out the waitlist for a workshop I'm planning. Your interest will help me decide which workshop to build next. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share this video, and watch other videos on this channel. Until next time, bye-bye.